Come on. Come on. We're gonna watch the film, and we're gonna eat. Oh yeah, and we're gonna critique it, and then you can tell us what you think.
No filters on our faces. No filters on our faces.
We are back.
Oh dear.
And then we go. She said, "No filters on our faces. No filters." No filters. So yeah, watching a film. Watching a film called The Perfect Guy. Actually.
We are.
So yeah, we're gonna watch that. You're gonna watch us.
We're
gonna watch it together. No, probably stupid. So yeah.
You said it, mate.
Me and Bear tonight.
We're not.
Drinking. We were having Tex-Mex noodles.
Look, we're drinking.
Corona.
We didn't fancy anything heavy tonight, so that's what I'm going to wear. Yes, so we've got noodles, fajitas, and what are these called again? Tacos, eggs, corn, and potatoes.
Patatas.
And salad.
Patatas. Noodles are claggy though still.
Well, it would have been the clippers, didn't it?
That thing's hot. It's
Yeah, no.
steamy.
Excuse me for leaving this.
Alright, a bit chili oil. Want some of them chilies as well. Oh,
Do you? Are you having
No. No.
Mm.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, the noodles are a bit cloudy, Mitch.
Cloudy. It look cute.
Clammy. You comfortable?
Yeah, I'm actually. I want some corn.
I'm gonna have some sweet chili sauce in mine. See that folks, yeah.
Cheese sauce.
So, you know, I bet you anyone who this film is not that perfect, that guy. What do you reckon?
Mm.
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 Don't forget about tonight's sleepyhead. See you later.
Oh, delicious. Oh.
Yes, we do.
Mm.
Don't tell me. I want to be late.
What's his name?
Uh-huh.
Girl, just like a gorgeous.
Huh?
Gorgeous, yeah.
You're worried about Morton.
Which one goes in this?
Which one?
Tom, I've got this.
Mm.
Holmes in at 9:30.
Oh, nice.
Mm.
That you could turn this.
Especially the cheese sauce.
Oh, they're on the cheese sauce, aren't you?
No, no, especially this time. I'm gonna move
We're
on.
trying not to make too much noise because we hate it. When we listen to other people eating and clapping them out, we are, don't we?
No. And I know it's the whole mukbang thing, ASMR thing, but no fun.
But everybody does what they want to do, don't they?
Right, what do I want on this now? Give us some garlic mayo. He's nice though, still.
Who is this?
I don't know, but he's nice.
We should have found their names out before we even.
Right.
Oh, Randy, they're gonna.
Yeah, they're gonna
They're
see.
watching it anyway, so aren't they?
I've just dropped my whole tackle. Mm.
Yeah, I've never eaten these kind of things yet before. Until you introduced me to them this year. Yeah.
Hmm?
Until you introduced me to them.
Mm.
As you can see, Dad, I've got my hat on still because I still haven't done my hair yet, yeah? But I waited until closer to Christmas.
Oh, is that right?
You'll be able to put up straight, will you? It's hot.
I know.
You're into the water. Thank you, God, for providing all this for us. It's good. Him fine too.
In it. Can I have some salad, please? Thank you.
Obviously, we're not going to wash all this film, are we?
Right. Will you make sure... Excuse me, one sec. I need to make sure my phone's on silent because I didn't think it is. Should be on airplane mode actually.
We should have done, yeah.
It's on airplane mode now. Hi, I'm back. Right, where's the... It's what we do, Mum. Garlic mayo, yeah? Jalapenos.
Oh no.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So good with that little boy.
Good boy.
Same.
Because I know you don't want that.
Yeah? Hot salsa.
I'm just not ready.
No, no.
We've been dating for almost 2 years.
It's been a wonderful 2 years. I don't want to lose you.
I don't either. But I do want to. I know that.
Now, come on, you know my parents, they hated each other when they were together. When they split, it was relief for everybody.
Yeah, but why is he basing their relationship on their parents?
That's two of the last
Relationship.
Joey can't even stand the sight of his ex.
Hey?
I don't know. I wasn't listening. I was too busy making this.
I don't want to wake up one morning and hate you.
I'm 36 years old. I've been dating my whole life. I'm dated out. I don't want to do it anymore. I want a husband. And children.
I'm not ignoring you. I'm just watching TV as well. Yeah, me. You know what, Richard? It's hot as hell, isn't it? Wearing a hat is not helping. Is it?
I want to be close to you when I'm ready to be close. Not because you feel the need for me to do it right here, right now, at this moment. I want to do it like that. I'm sorry.
But next time we'll pick a film that's thinking, like, can I get you?
Right.
So what you say?
I think maybe you should go.
That's not very nice, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah, but he's got a spin, yeah? Well,
Yes, sir.
something like let's just sit down and talk about, yeah?
Yeah, but he's not willing to talk.
Mm.
And I don't think she's like trying to
So
say.
you think that he wants his own way, yeah? His way or no way?
Excuse me. He doesn't. He wants to propose when he's ready. That's fair enough. But she's sick and tired of dating. She's old now, isn't it?
Mrs. She's 35. Lord, yeah, what does that make me there?
Good shit.
Pardon?
I heard she's just 36.
All 500 pages of it. I'll let you know.
But I wish you were eating this food. It was absolutely delicious.
I know, it's going to be less for me.
You meant that.
I'm serious. It's late. And just pick it up tomorrow. Go home with your boyfriend.
Well, we actually.
That cheese sauce tastes much better than it's got. Well, the flavours at the point, yeah.
I didn't know.
No, it's fine.
Of course.
It's better to catch these things early, right?
Maybe. My grandfather had a saying, life is like a coin. You can spend it on anything you want, but you can only spend it once.
You know.
That's true says, isn't it?
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, because once you spend that penny, you're not going to get it back.
Night.
Night.
You know, with the coronavirus, Misha.
Karen Hillard.
Right, so, you know, we were talking about earlier, right? That this was the only beer that was left in the shelves, wasn't it?
Yeah, because it's called Corona.
That's just a bit silly. It's just mean. Where are you going? Why are you all the way over there? You're chilling, aren't you?
Reasons why I shouldn't buy you a drink.
Well, here's.
This noodle's not as nice as that one.
I already have.
That tells you. Huh?
I like you, you're funny.
It's a little man.
What?
These noodles, aren't they?
Wait.
A horrible.
Very recent.
Oh.
Huh?
Too. I'm waiting for someone. So.
So I'm gonna have a wrap now. You ready?
Boyfriend?
As a matter of fact, yes.
Excuse your fingers. What maybe you should put to it? Get it with.
Well, then we better get out of here. I think you know what I'm talking about. Then wait, no.
And on this, I'm gonna have some cheese sauce. Yes, me.
Sorry, Lee. You look beautiful.
Nice, ain't it?
Yeah.
What do you put in the cheese sauce? Anyway, stop talking. Look at the.
Yeah, isn't it?
Excuse me? Yes. Why are you still standing here? Walk away.
Huh.
Was he just chatting her up?
Whatever.
It was not even as good.
And just saved her.
From.
Damn, you don't want it.
No. I took business like
Oh,
that.
oh.
So I'll leave this.
So what did you save from? Tell me.
Well, now you have to let
Huh?
Where did you save from?
That man.
Yeah, why? What was he doing?
That man just said to her, oh, let me buy you a drink. She's like, no, you said give me one good reason. She's like,
She just said no, innit?
I'll give you, I've already got one.
Yeah.
And then he was like, let's go somewhere now. And then she was like, no, that's
Sure,
fine. That's
yeah.
not talking.
It was good, yeah.
Not bad, isn't it?
What do you think?
I guess we just.
You're always right, Michelle. You know that, don't you?
went a different
Huh?
pace.
You're always right. Did you know how much food to cook?
Oh,
Eh?
I do, yeah. Especially for you.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be.
You're terrible.
Why? My eyes are bigger than my belly, aren't they?
That's not enough.
Yeah, but because I grew up that well. Mum made big plates of food for all of us all the time. We were growing up.
I love you, son. I guess you will practice in the art.
Okay.
I've been known to get my way. Enough about me. Tell me about what you do.
I specialize in corporate espionage and network protection. I get a lot of satisfaction out of making sure people feel secure.
But nice.
Mm.
Can see you'd be good at that.
Why are you in room for you now?
All right. Yeah.
Very nice.
What did you want to call?
What happened to just one
Well,
night?
come on, man. I can't be sitting here with fucking.
You know it's going to be a night like this.
What's your favourite?
Hmm?
What bit of your
What
favourite?
is it? Remember? In previous videos about, obviously, my
You should not with that
preference.
other guy anymore.
I do with him.
Did they break up? I know he walked away.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is 2 months later.
Oh, okay. Yeah, anyway, what did you say?
He's nice.
So, say if our book was made into a film,
Yeah.
would you want him to be a co-star?
Be which one?
I don't know. It could be Calvin.
No. No, you couldn't be Calvin.
But so he could he be the man with no name? Would you have him as?
I can't imagine it was a name.
Mm.
Philip Whitmore's
Well, yeah.
Could he be the doctor?
5 minutes.
Dr. Patrick?
What are you telling people the book for?
Because I wrote a book. Another one.
Yeah, I know, but what are you telling them about it for?
Cool.
Okay, put it.
I'm trying to get my book for our boyfriends. Is that right? What are you looking for? Me? Do not change anything on our TV.
Hello?
She's a beautiful lady,
I
isn't she?
said I wouldn't do this, but
Huh?
Yeah.
here I am.
How did you find me?
I was 2015 and I'm an IT expert.
Here's me.
Really? I guess I should be flattered.
I want to see you again.
Well, I don't want to see you. What did you have in mind?
I love eggs.
This is the part of the
Oh, dear, we should especially balls, isn't it?
all my work.
Have you had that already? Did you do your thing?
No. I
Yeah,
did
that-
too.
Yeah?
I keep looking at this and I'm not leaving it for you, I'm sorry.
Alright, you do want it anyway.
Good, well, you ain't getting it. It's good job.
I'm full already, Misha, because like, you know when you got the bread? This was... No. No. There's no clubs like that around here, is there?
No.
What's this film called, yeah?
The perfect guy.
You know damn well it's not going to turn out too good, yeah.
That's what it says.
So do you reckon she'll get back with another one? Any clubs now, nobody dances like that anymore.
Why?
So when I was coming up, you used to have slow dances at the end of the night. You don't really see it like that now, at all.
Yeah,
Not actually twerking or something. Yeah?
Yeah, but nowadays, I'm not being funny.
Go on
No
then.
one wants to slow dance with someone who's doing off the face, do they? Music wouldn't want it, no, it's not. It's not attractive.
No. Yeah,
To be
because
fair though, I'm only 28, right? I'm already at the age where I'd just rather go out for food and cocktails, maybe to a cocktail club, nightclub, a bit of tunes in the background, maybe get up and dance around the table. But, no,
you're not into nightclubs at all?
not
Proper?
really.
To be honest with you, I can't remember. You actually, I know you went out a lot, but so yeah, that makes him no good straight away.
She
Is that
wanted
taller?
it. She wanted it. Go on, sister.
Have you ever done that for me?
No?
Oh my days.
Have you ever done that before, Mum?
No. What, in the toilet? Come on, Misha. No. I've got something to happen.
We never.
I'm looking back, but I went each to their own anyway, isn't it?
I love that when they reference the name of the film in their film. She's like, you could be the perfect guy.
Yeah, but that's, I've done that Misha in our book. Because you told me to do that.
Oh.
Yeah, unspoken love.
Yeah.
What? Girl, you making me nervous.
Oh, you're the one who added it in actually. Your eyes are so pretty.
Why
Brown.
so much?
Pardon? Your eyes are really brown.
Your eyes are-
Chocolatey.
Yeah, yours must look like plain chocolate.
Pardon?
Black something.
Look
His eyes.
Who? Oh my life!
Wow. Does he have a
Children have seen
Oh my
Thank you.
We need to know that man's name. Because he is fine as a fine glass of wine, fam.
So, how did
Look, you can see the figure behind him fucking yay. He's not a good man.
In real life?
No, on a film. I don't even know in real life. His lips are full. Nah, they're not his real colour eyes, what do you reckon?
Yeah.
Are they? You want me to
Oh, yeah. What are you whispering for?
They might not be. We don't know. We're just assuming we should.
Well, I have to confess. Please don't.
I was going to ask for ice cream, but
That we were like,
no. So, as much as I love fajitas, it's a bread crumb.
That's not fajitas. Oh, it is fajitas.
Gosh, yeah.
I'm full. I've already eaten anything.
Alicia, you had two. Oh, yeah, that's good though,
How many
isn't it?
tacos you had?
One.
I had one as well.
Mm,
Yeah, 'cause I picked one up, yeah. I had one wrap,
Yeah?
that spoonful of noodles, I had 2 eggs, 2 corn on the carbs.
Well, But the thing
That's
is,
what I'm
with the
Frosty, what are you doing out here?
You know, he usually isn't the man.
in it, that's
Just
not good
animals.
vibes. They know about things, isn't it?
I heard someone scream. Hey, Mrs. McCarthy. It was just Rusty startled me, that's all. Oh, this is Carter, my boyfriend. This is Mrs. McCarthy.
Pleasure to meet you.
Well, no, is it?
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Look, saying that, like, sometimes it's good to have a nosy neighbour, you know? A nosy neighbour.
You know.
Afraid it might be too soon.
Yes.
I haven't even asked you yet.
You see this table that we've got here? Well, I made it up. It's only cardboard, you know?
She made it up there, you know. So basically, she's made it up.
No. Cardboard.
Do you want to come?
Anything can look pretty if you know what you're doing, darling. Alright?
Alright.
This is kind of special because it's also my dad's birthday.
You take them here?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Hurry, you're gonna fuck him.
Huh?
He's an insane, crazy baseball fan.
So me and Michelle, we're doing like a walking as well. Because we eat loads, so we're trying to burn the shit off. The stuff off. So that's so shit.
Yeah, man.
That's the bridge. It's called the Golden Gate. No? Wait, is it? Is it?
Where is it?
What are you begin with?
Yes.
Nervous?
San Francisco.
I just realized the business smells like hair loving it.
Your mum's not doing what she looks, you know.
Sweetie. This is for you. Happy birthday. Hello, Dad. This is Carter.
Well, so nice to meet you, Carter. Glad you could make it.
Mrs. Bond, the pleasure's all mine.
He's a gorgeous.
Mr. Bond.
Oh, please, Evelyn and
Well,
Roger.
see? Father know. They know.
Long drive.
You like baseball? Love baseball, actually. Played in high school.
Yeah? What position?
Pitcher.
Well, I guess you won't mind parking it here tomorrow and watching the Giants game.
I wish I could.
What's going on in here?
And he says he can't watch the game tomorrow because he got all kinds of plans.
Plans.
Well, she said I got these 2 tickets to the Giants game tomorrow. And I was wondering if you'd go with me.
Never judge a book yet.
You see those? These are behind home plate.
Front row. What do you say, Mr. Bond?
Son, you can call me Roger.
I thought, hey, money talking there, like that.
This
Hey.
is Justine's old room, Leah's sister. Now, it gets a little hot in here. So you're
Misha, do you know, this is what goes on, right? So, let me tell you a story. I'm going to pause this because I want to watch this, right? So, Mum's like, oh, let's watch a film. I'm like, okay, then let's watch a film. She'll start a film, get about 10 minutes into it. I don't want to watch this no more. Don't matter, I'm into it. Start another one. Right, the other day, she started 5 different films, right? And then do you know what happened? We didn't have to watch any of them. We watched classic fucking Emmerdale.
What's the fuss with that? And what are the 5 films? I bet you can't name them. I think you just made that up.
No, do you know why I can't name them?
Why?
Because I didn't get into them.
I'm sorry.
And then when we do find a film that we can watch, we're like, oh, that's like the other day we wanted to watch horror films, yeah? Mum spoke the whole way through.
No, it doesn't.
And
What
you
else
know
I do,
what?
Misha?
Listen, and scared everybody. Like, listen, yeah? No, I know, like, yeah, and I should be very grateful, and I'm very grateful that I can hear my mum's voice, my mum can talk to her, mum can annoy me, she can talk about me, everything, yeah? But, do you know when I'm watching a film? Lime off, just for an hour and a half, that's it. That's it. Mum talk, bah, the whole way through as well, you know, this is me. And then it's like this.
You want Misha? I like talking to you, babe.
Yeah, I know, but talk to me when the film. And then do you know what annoys me as well? Yeah, do you know when the film ain't on? She ain't got nothing to say.
You're lying.
As soon, I swear to God, as soon as the film's on, we're watching classic Coronation Street or classic EastEnders or classic Emmerdale. She won't talk to you then. She won't talk to you then.
I'll do a pause
It's not
it.
like if he hasn't been on years ago.
You better pause it, Misha.
No. Still. Yeah. And then sometimes, right, she'll choose to show, oh, let's watch a film. Misha, you're always on your phone. Right, so I put my phone down, yeah? Next minute, this is me. What's mum doing? She's on the phone.
Don't listen
No,
to
on the phone. She's on the phone on Facebook, you know? And then all I can hear is fucking little videos all the time.
Misha?
What are you breathing heavy in my ear?
Yeah, but who's on the phone all the time?
You're just as bad as me. I tell
Oh
you what.
my god, am I Eckers like?
Yes, you are.
When? What? To do what?
You're constantly watching videos.
I don't
on
watch videos.
Facebook.
I'm not on Facebook.
My life, or swear my life.
I watch the news.
Swear my life.
So what's your slide?
Mum, see, swear my life. Mum watches the news on the telly, on the phone, everywhere. Like sometimes you go in the room, yeah, telly's just playing things loud, right, and just sit on the phone.
Oh dear. Like for me, TV is it's just my company. Like, cause like
Yeah, but you know when I'm here, when I'm here and I want to watch a film with my mum, yeah, I'm company. But it's like when mum forgets that I'm here, picks up my phone and leaves the telly running like. And then this is the thing, right? when she did watch these films, yeah, never had mentioned that to them before.
Oh yeah.
When she does put these films on, yeah, this is what happened the other day, right? So she put the film on. She'll go on her phone, then look up 10 minutes later and say, oh, I don't want to watch this. You haven't watched any of it anyway. Like, there's me fully getting into it as well, you know. £5.
Oh dear. Yeah, but Misha, guess
No
what?
books, Mum.
Yeah, but you never used to watch telly at all. Did you? You listened to no, you didn't. You listened to music more
No,
than
it's
telly.
a change.
You watched the Chase. You watched the Chase.
Yeah, but
that's
it's
not
not there.
telly. That's just cylinders.
To all them change fans out there, turn off.
Look, you watch what you want to watch. I used to like watching blockbusters back in the day.
Black
But TV, like I say, TV for me was company. So when my husband was working away, the kids were asleep at night, all three of them. I'd have the telly on.
She's a liar. Joe from next door would come round and drink a bottle of vodka together.
No. Me? I don't believe you actually said that's when we're over the road. I talk about. You see you.
I'm a liar.
Can you hear her? Yeah. John, come and say hello.
I'm alright.
Come here, because you look so beautiful today. Come here. Well, bugger you then, bitch.
I'll be up for work at 5.
Sorry, he's not going to come in. He's got to be at work at 5.
Still got some more beer to drink.
So yeah, so it was just company for me. It's like when I'm doing the cleaning, I leave the Uber on for company. 'Cause I like the
And we've
noise.
got a fucking whistling kettle as well.
Yeah, it leaves Uber on all day.
No, I'm tired.
All
I
the
just
time.
like the noise.
And a fan in the room.
That's when I go to
That's
bed.
a big ass industrial fan as well in the room. It just leaves it on, like, literally you can hear it from the garden.
Bitch, why lying?
Swear. And we've got, yeah, like I said, we've got a whistling kettle. So Dad comes down in the morning, we'll put the kettle on for Mum. And I ring him up the kitchen. Okay.
What about there ain't nobody here but us chickens? Do-do-do-do.
I thought you said they weren't coming in. Why are you interrupting us?
Oh, it sticks in your head.
Yeah. So listen, guys. Right. So you know we've got the noodles here, and that and we're not. What? We won't be eating these.
Why are you changing the subject when I'm currently talking
I know,
about
but we've got chicken. So
anyway,
chicks have that.
What's that got to do with anything?
No,
What has that got to do with anything?
because I thought we missed that subject.
You know what, did I say to you, oh, we're done. Let's talk about something else.
A conversation does
Did I-
does not normally end like
Yeah, I
that.
know,
do you?
but why?
Do
Do
you?
you? Does it?
Yeah. Misha. A conversation does not end with you saying.
A conversation.
Are you alright?
Are you?
Are you, Misha, seriously?
Well.
Yeah, pardon? Right, so, you know, I'm done now. You don't say that, do you?
No, I don't go like this. I'm not. I just say I'm not.
You're a fucking twat. What, tell him to figure back on.
Right, so, as I was saying, Mum's just very annoying, you know. Uber, she leaves Uber on bare. Like sometimes I'll come downstairs, yeah, the Uber's at the back door, and she's put it at the back door, and she's left it on, yeah. Mum's cleaning the room, yeah, doing whatever she's doing. Sometimes she's in the bath, relaxing, chillaxing, Uber's at the back door, running. It's not running, because obviously it's not running, ain't got no feet, but Uber is running, like she's calm. And then the reason why she does it is so it stops the cats coming in, because the cats don't like the Uber, obviously. But she just leaves it on. Mum's clean upstairs, you know. That time, I lied. Mum's gone upstairs, had a shower, turned around, got dressed, got out, got nails done, some shopping, come back, went to work.
She's been
It's still on.
She's been over the top.
I swear to God, one time, I came downstairs, yeah, at like 10 o'clock. I've been up before. Come downstairs at 10 o'clock, yeah, Uber's on. I was like, oh, Mum's probably clean, he's probably in the utility room, whatever. Anyway, so I was like, yeah, Stan. So I went upstairs, had a shower, got ready, that was going on.
Oh, dear.
Anyway, I left the house, came back about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, Uber's still on.
Miss lying, full four.
Swear.
No, he wasn't, you idiot. Can you put the film back on?
I think we should have done now.
Really?
What could you watch this film in parts with these guys?
Yeah, we could do. No, I don't think we should watch it live. What we'll do, we will go through. We'll leave that on.
Yeah.
And then you can short blah 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 blah. And then we can carry on watching it and critique it. What do you reckon?
Yeah. So basically, this guy is mad. You know what I'm saying?
You don't know nothing because you haven't watched it yet, have you?
No, I just gonna lie to you.
So.
So we're gonna say, hiya, see ya, bye.
You idiot, Michelle!
Oh, I suppose I better turn you off, no, innit? Or shall I just leave you running like Mum leaves the Uber running?